In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make my TradingView Dark Mode. If you spend a lot of time analyzing charts, switching to dark mode can make a big difference. It reduces eye strain in low-light environments, makes candles and indicators pop with better contrast, and can help you focus during long sessions. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you're comfortable making the change. First, open your web browser and go to TradingView.com. Once the site loads, log into your account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, enter your credentials and complete any verification the site requests. Make sure you're on the official TradingView website, and give the page a moment to fully load your dashboard and charts before moving on. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you have multiple charts or layouts synced to your profile. Once you're logged in, you should see your usual workspace, watch lists, or saved layouts. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. This may appear as a small avatar, your initials, or your profile picture. Click it to open a quick menu. Inside this menu, you'll see a dark theme slider. Click or tap that slider once to toggle dark mode on. The switch is instant. The interface will flip to a deep, high-contrast palette, including the background, menus, and chart surroundings. Your charts, toolbars, and watch lists remain exactly where they are, just presented against a darker backdrop that's easier on the eyes. If you prefer to move back to light mode at any time, simply click the same slider again to toggle it off. The setting typically sticks with your account, so when you come back later and sign in, TradingView will remember your preference. If you use multiple devices, make sure you're logged in on each of them so the theme stays consistent across your setups. After switching, take a quick look at your charts and indicators. Many color schemes look great in dark mode, but if any lines or text seem too dim, you can fine-tune them later within your usual chart appearance controls. The key is that the dark theme provides a comfortable base, especially for evening sessions or extended analysis. That's it. Open TradingView, log in, click your profile icon, and toggle the dark theme slider. A small change, but it can have a big impact on comfort and clarity. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your charts in dark mode.